Yo, hello, good evening mga gwapa. Langga, kumusta kayo dyan mga beauty? Mag, mag ano ako langga, mag-cleansing muna ako before ako mag-sleeping langga. Sige na langga, saka na mustaas. Oo, mag-cleansing muna ako. Kumusta kayo dyan, Reggie? Mag-cleansing muna ako before ako magtulog. Kasi tingin ko, ayan oh, very dumi ng aking mukha. So, ayan. Very quick lang langga. Gimahok piti main shots. Gihok bita. Come down bita. And the Luis out bita. Ayun Luis. Aso. Moment ba? Moment. About drinking na. Ayan, I'm back. So what I will be doing now is I will be cleansing my face before I go to sleep. So now, first, I will be removing my... Yeah, it's calm down. I will be removing my...
Umaam.
Very sweet naman. Ano ko? Very sweet naman itong baby ko. Baby.
Love you. Love you, Daka.
Love kita ka? Kabuutan
Smack, smack.
Uy, mag-smack daw mi. Mag-smack ma? Mag-smack daw mi. Dati ayaw niya mag-smack kasi ano daw.
Love you, Daka.
Love good ko na niya lang. Love good ka. Kaluka. Kaya ba na mabisaya ako mga anak. Yes, mga langga. May gabiin ninyo na tanan. Lugay ka na nga itong ako mga unggoy. Skom dan yan, dito. Yeah. So, ang gagawin ko today, magdali ko cleansing langga kay lamit na kay tugpa. So, because today I am wearing mascara. So, even if yung mascara namin is hindi siya magkalat kahit na you will be wearing it. You will wear it overnight. So, but still, I like to be really clean and, yes, refreshing before ako matulog para masarap yung tulog natin. So, what I will be doing first is I will be removing my mascara with the use of my Nu Skin, New Color, Waterproof Makeup Remover. Actually, itong makeup remover natin is, it's also like if you are wearing this or using this, it's also like you are doing cleansing. It's a double purpose, you know. Ayan, so, but first I will be removing my mascara. This is very light product. So, hindi ka masasaktan ito, mga langga. This is how Nu Skin works because we are the best. Kaloka. Best ang aming produkto, mga beauty. So, very meaning, best quality product means very, ano siya, safe to use. Yes, mga langga. Mga guwapa, mga beauty. So, yes, normally I don't like removing my my mascara, but sometimes today parang hindi ako tamad langga. I am giving time for myself before I sleep. Ayan. So minsan talaga tamad ako. Yes, I admit. Parang wala ka ng time kasi sobrang pagod na, yes. Ganon. Marelate ko kayo dyan. Ang sarap na lang matulog, mamahiga. But you see, oh no, hindi man lang sumasakit ang aking mata kasi alam ko, ang aming makeup remover is walang alcohol yan. So, you see this? And now, since I am, this is really very nice product because very easy, light to use, and wala man lang siyang amoy langga. Careful kayo sa magagamitin yung mga products because ang daming mga mga you know, mga kung sa pagkaon pa preservatives. But ito kasi wala kaming mga very light ang aming mga how you say this, mga ingredients. So because it's an anti-aging, so nindot ko kanya akong maligya. Sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin, Reggie from Nu Skin Germany. So langga, if you think you are looking for yes, anti-aging products, PM me. Oo, kasi ang lahat ng aking paninda dito I am using it. I am expert of my own paninda langga. So now, since ayokong basain ang aking skin, ang aking face, what I will be using now is cleansing ako langga using this one. This is sa ato pa nga iskinol. Mo ni among iskinol sa Nuskin. This I love very much because this product is a new launch that was I think this year, January, if I am not mistaken. I think January. So I am very, very lucky. We are very lucky to have this product kasi yes, this is very useful for cleansing, removing makeup. Yes, ayan. So, ganun lang sa akin. And huwag natin kalimutan mag-remove mag-cleansing talaga before matulog. Kasi yung mga dirt there, matatanggal yan siya. You see? Kaluka. Oh my gosh. Oh, ano kayo lang you need to take care of yourself. You see this? Kakaloka. Very, very dirty. I'm just only wearing our liquid foundation today. But ganun na siya katabal. Ano. So, pag hindi nyo na magagamit pag hindi nyo nililinis, oh, you see this? Oh my gosh. Tsaka very, very, very light ito lang ga. Hindi ka masasaktan. Wala itong alcohol lang ga. Kaya I can highly recommend my product, Nuskin. Ayan. Ayan. Lalo na ako, I am 45 years old. So, maganda na yan siya. Tiguang na kayo na lang ga. Tiguan na siya, beauty. Kaya magtataka kayo dyan kung bakit tumatanda na kayo dyan because you are using wrong products. So, try using Nuskin because it's an anti-aging product. So, di mo masasaktan ng aking mga produkto, aking maligya. Huwag kayong matakot mga beauty kasi hindi kayo puputi ng Nuskin. I-reveal niya ang iyong true color. True color, yes. Oh my God, you see this? Oh my gosh. Ayan, so the last thing I will be doing is my neck. And don't forget to clean your neck because also neck is a part of your face, yes. Kapit na lubat naman ko. You see? Oh my gosh. Very dirty. Ayan siya mga langga. Ang aking paninda is Nuskin. Anti-aging ito. And it is a very, very good quality product. So, this is very safe because the ingredients are tolerable to all skin types. So, sa mga nagkaedad like me, yes, try to use my paninda, Nuskin. And also, I am taking food supplements. Kaya wag kayong mataka kung bakit ganito ako confident sa aking looks. Even if I'm not so beauty. But ang aking aura is very young. And yes, I'm not using any filter. I don't have filter. So, makikita nyo ang aking looks. Yan siya lang. Makikita nyo yan siya. So, you see? I am almost done. So after cleansing, I will be using toner. Ayan, so I'll be washing my oh my gosh. Ayan, so magto-toner ako mga palangga. So very, very light lang ang gagamitin kong toner. Very light. So this is our toner. We have 3 kinds of, marami kaming toner, but this one is I highly recommend for sa aging na nagkaedad na mga 30 up. Meron din kaming toner for very sensitive skin, yung merong mga tagyawat. Meron din kaming toner na for yung parang pigmentation. Meron din kaming toner na oily skin, and meron din kaming normal toner. So, Ganun lang siya. I will not put it in the cotton because ayokong sisip-sipin ng cotton ang aking toner. So, instead ito sa palm ko siya ilalagay. Kasi medyo parang mas makatipid. So, after that, I will be applying my night cream. Where is my night cream? Ayan, where is my night cream? Ano ba ito? Ba't ang dami dito? Oh my gosh. Actually, we have two kinds of night cream, but unfortunately, my very high-end night cream is already finished. I guess it's already finished and I love it. I'm loving this because this is an anti-aging age lock. Konti na lang pala siya. You see? Oh my. This is really very wonderful. I love this. You see? But instead, kasi wala pa akong budget nito, I will be using the normal night cream. Hello, Ate Minda. How are you? I miss you. How's your day? It's been a while. I haven't talked to you. Oo. So, yes, don't forget to use products that are really very useful and it's anti-aging and kung ako sa inyo mga langga, huwag kayong magtipid langga. Life is too short langga and you are aging, so ba't nyo pa pagtagal-tagalin mag-ano pa kayo dyan, magpatagal-tagal pa kayo sa mga paggamit ng mga good quality. So, if I were you, grab the opportunity to use good quality products kasi yung skin naman ang magkapag-benefits dyan. Ganun lang, you see this? Meron din kami mga sleeping mask, ganun, but I haven't, magdidepende din kasi yun sa sa lugar kung saan. Kasi I'm here in Germany, so wala kaming sleeping mask lang. How I wish magkaroon kami ng sleeping mask. Yes, you see, very simple ang aking night regimen. You see this? Ayan. And before ako matulog, I will be putting, how you say this? My lips. I am always encountering dry lips in my lips. So, I will be using our contouring lip gloss. Para pagising ko, hindi siya nagda-dry. Ayan. So, I'm loving this. Kinukontour na yan siya. So, that's it. Very simple and very easy steps in taking care of your skin. Yes. So, wag niyong, kasi ako, I am very, very matipid na tao. Yes, I am very kuripot na tao. So what I did, and I am also a very economical person, minimalist. So what I am using now is products that I know that I can use it until na tatanda ako. Kasi meron kaming, because a new skin is an anti-aging. So ayoko nang maggamit ng iba because we have everything. From head to toe, from food supplements, we have everything what you need for your skincare. From oral to even for our genital cleansing. Like we have also feminine wash. But I guess in Europe we don't have, only in Asia Pacific. But if you want to acquire it, just ask me. PM me for more information. So, and if you want to, make Nu Skin a business, as what I'm telling you, I'm into business also. It's so easy to join. You don't need capital. You don't need, all you need to do is engage Nu Skin company. PM me. You need to connect legit dealers for you to register, yes, because you need our account, Nu Skin account. So it's a free registration. So even if you don't purchase, just register and later you will discover more about Nu Skin. And yes, marami kaming products na I'm sure makakatulong sa inyong mga meron kayong mga skin problems or maybe health problems. And yes, you will also discover yourself if you engage Nu Skin. Marami kayong madidiscover, just like me. Marami akong nadidiscover. And I'm also enjoying it. Oo, I'm using it. I am enjoying it. And yes, take your time, yes. Oo. Ganun. Tsaka, walang puhunan. You don't need to invest really. Oo. Pwedeng walang puhunan. Oo. Pwede yan siya. Possible yan siya. It's only a drop shipping. Oo. Di ba? Have you heard drop shipping? Yan ang gawin nyo. So, no puhunan, drop shipping lang. Kasi uso na yun eh, yung drop shipping, di ba? Yung from company to, yung client nyo is from other countries and you will send the products direct from the company to your client. So, yun yung drop shipping. So, why not? Why not try it? Yes? Oo. So, yes, lalo na sa yung mga walang mga ginagawa sa bahay, if I were you, just grab the opportunity. Kasi if you are like, wala man lang kayong ginagawa sa bahay, so, and you are very active in social networking, so, for example, YouTube, and, Facebook, Snapchat, yes, Twitter, Instagram. So if you are very active on this, why not make profit on this? If I were you, kasi you are very active eh. So why not gawin yung mapagpagkakakitaan yan? But of course, you must just make it slowly kasi wala namang shortcut to millionaire, di ba? So yan lang masabi ko. Active kayo mo, di ba? Sige mo pamantay na sa mga Facebook niyo. Ako, sige ko pamantay diri. Kay, I don't know, maybe I'm looking for client, of course, and marami akong ma-encounter dito, mga friendship ko dito, nagkasakit. So, minsan, i-get well soon ko yan sila, and tinitignan ko kung saan sila nagpunta dyan. Kasi, if I see postings na iba-ibang lugar, feeling ko na din, parang din akong nakapunta doon sa mga pinupuntahan nila. So, parang gusto kong i-engage yung aking sarili sa aking mga friendship, kung ano yung mga whereabouts nila. Kaya, yes, I am enjoying it. I am browsing it, and if I see something nice, I like it. I do like, or maybe post a comment. So, if you are like this, so why not? Why not make also it a profit? Yes. Well, it's very normal. It's your way of relaxation. Kasi maybe you are alone there, or you are from countryside. So, it's not bad. It's not bad. Sige lang tagpamantay diri sa Facebook ba? Ako, sige kong pamantay diri. I admit that. And madami akong masagap na mga balita dito, mga balita na kasi iba-iba tayong mga posting, di ba? So, marami talaga tayong matutunan, each other. Oo. Panghambog, sadness, happiness, daghan kayo diri sa Facebook, Instagram. Ari na sa ko diri sa Instagram. Man ako sa akong Facebook, so Instagram na sad ko. Sige ko pamantay, ari na po ko diri sa Snapchat. Oh, bisang asa lang ko. TikTok pa di ay. So, you see this? So, if you think you have a potential in selling like me, kay kapal na magigay gusto ng mga langga, why not? Why not? And minsan, I don't know, but kasi as what I know na pag ma-engage ka sa mga ganito, mga companies, langga, I'll tell you langga, mawala yung hiya-hiya mo langga. Mawala yung hiya mo langga na you never know na hindi ka na pala nahiya. Yes? Oo, totoo yan siya. Oo. So I'm encouraging you magpapa, namugin mo mga potential. You're very friendly and a lot of friendship. Yung mahilig mo pagwa. Pasabot na kung pagwapa ka nang you like to, you are particular in your looks. Just like me, I'm very particular lang. Particular means you just like to take care of yourself. So why not? Why not make this a business nuskin? Oo, nindot ko kaya siya nga company lang. I'm telling you, it's a very good company. Sigurista na ba kayo ko lang yung hindi ko gusto bati. Sige na lang kay para magpapasag ko, yes. Oo, mo-engage ko bati kayong product. Masamot, luoy na kanya akong dagway, pwede ginuto na kayo ni Stanlan. May nang bira-birahon ni gamay sa nuskin. Magpapasag ko ba? Luoy naman kayo, tiguang naman eh. So, ginahanglan dyan siyang nindot ng produkto. Kaloka talaga. Di ko musugutan ng batiwi. Bahala na niya. Maunsa pa lang niya akong dagway. Di ko. Arigid ko, maniguro ko kayo. Mausap pa niya akong dagway. So, kamo mga gwapa na magiging mo diha. Musabutod pag yung pagwapa. Yes, ako ani. Gwapa na lang ko, yes. So, mga langga, mga beauty, mga gwapa. Pasamutod pag yung mo. Agad ko na yung basula lang ging. Samsamot mo din kagwapa. Kaluka talaga. Yes, really, I am encouraging you. Mag-try kayo sa aking paninda. Just even one, then you will amaze na nga. I'll tell you. Hello mga gwapa ito, mga new skin ito. Rolebet Beauty. Hello there. Venus Ravenna Villalon, mga gwapa ito. Our director, Miss Ana Riza. Yes, thank you so much for joining mga langga. Yes, try it and you will discover yourself in new skin. Yes. Ciao for now and good night mga langga. See you next time. Bye!